Good morning, traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell 2000 Futures Review. My name is Martin Rimes, and it's a morning report today, Monday, January 27, 2014. Hey, I'd like to ask you, please check out hitthemarktrading.com. This is what the website looks like. While you're here, I want you to check out the Simplified Options Trading course. I'm just going to start this on January 28th for 3 nights, and I'm telling you, this is the best way for you to learn a very simplified approach to options. We're going to trade just like the professionals do, but we're going to focus on a very simple and relaxed method of trading. Okay? Now, if you need to find out how to trade trend and momentum, there's nothing better than a total immersion boot camp. I just want you to know that. I'm trying to pull that up for you right now. Just be aware that this is a great foundation. Absolutely. With specific entry and exit techniques taught. Okay. Now, finally, go to the contact page and you'll have the opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. Just put it in right here. All right, and your name, your email. Now, if you want to know what Rooster Call is, basically every morning I wake up and I check the news wires, I check the charts, and I make a very brief email for clients. I send this out to my clients and I'd send it to you for free if you're interested. Just keeps us on track of what we should be aware of for the trading day. All right? Very good. Now, let's move on. Remember, everything that I mention is for your educational purposes only. The weekly TF, well, we had a big down day on Friday. Trend and momentum on the weekly chart is still strong. You can see we're in this nice upward ascending wedge. Most likely, the test is going to be down at the bottom, and then we push right back up. At some point, we're going to want to retest the moving average. At some point. We know that. Okay? Let me just draw that line out here like this. But at this point in time, all we're doing is we're just continuing in our overbought market. Now, let's go to the daily chart. This is an eye-opener, isn't it? My goodness. Now, we already knew with this box here that price would probably drop down there, right? Heck, we had that marked. You know that if you're following these videos. Now, we're up a little bit in the pre-market. Let me make this bigger for you. We're up a little bit in the pre-market. So what this suggests is that overnight we're trying to move higher, but how many times have I seen professionals immediately fade the public? When they open the gate, boom, they drive it down, and then things tend to settle down around 9:45 to 10 a.m. So that's the true test. On Russell 2000, we've got our line up here at 1166. It'd be great to see us recover. It really would. It'd be great to see us recover half. That would be extremely well, too. Otherwise, we should expect, well, okay, it's a finally we're going to get a pullback and drop to the bottom line here, and then from this we launch new ships higher based on trend and momentum. Now, anything could change, and if the facts change, we will certainly change. Here is the intraday chart. And due to the big drop on Friday, we've got these very large ranges for the floor pivots. This tells me right here, this is a sell signal. Okay? And by the way, I'm giving a webinar on trading trend and momentum, a free webinar. And that's going to be through Trader Kingdom. If you need me to give you information on that, drop me an email. Send it to martin@hitthemarktrading.com, and I'll send you all the details. Okay, so here's a sell signal here. and this line right here. Okay. And that would certainly set us up for the opening market drop. And what would happen? Oh, they'll try to retest it to the overnight low, 1137 it looks like, with potential to slam it harder. Okay. If we move to the upside, what you're watching for, draw a line, I love lines. What you're watching for if we move to the upside is a break above this, well, really a break above the S1. I'm sorry, the main floor pivot. This is a main floor pivot. Because a break above this line in the main floor pivot signals, yes, we're ready to run. Okay? All right. Beyond that, be aware that they fade the public. We have, I think, existing home sales or new home sales out today at 10 o'clock. That'll be fuel for the 10 o'clock move. And then, of course, we've got earnings release continuing. This afternoon, we have Apple. We have Apple after market close will release. And we have an option trade on that. We don't care if it goes up or down. It just needs to move, and we're going to make money. I love those. I'll talk to you